how to fix clogged water spouts from your swamp cooler. Cheap and easy fix using flexible tubing, 3/8 inch. It costs half as much as the replacements for these guys, and it's real easy to do. Just measure out what length you need on these guys. In my case, they were 19 inches. Just cut those, cleaned out that distribution cap, and they just clicked right in. And then you just make sure they go in the reservoir. And man, it's real easy to do. And they're flexible, so you can even make them a little longer if you need to, just to make sure you can get them in there. And man, it works like a charm. 10 bucks, half the price. And if you're out, like they were out of stock at my local Home Depot, so this was the best solution, half the price, and very easy to replace. So that's what we did. I'm rebuilding mine right now. Got that guy there, gotta just wire it up and get it going. That's how we do it.